Oppo has announced the Oppo A7 Pro Max 5G, a new addition to its A-series lineup that focuses on battery life without compromising on modern features. The device is the company's first smartphone to pack a 10,000 mAh battery. It supports 80W SuperVOOC fast charging, 80W UFCS charging, and 27W reverse charging. The A7 Pro Max will be offered in black, light blue, and orange color options. The power button and volume keys are located on the right edge of the device. A 50-megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor, with 50-megapixel front camera, measuring just 8.47 millimeters thick and weighing 226 grams. The Oppo A7 Pro Max will have a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. It's powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 5 SoC. It will be paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and possibly up to 512 GB of storage. It is priced at 2,199 Yuan, $325, for the 8 GB plus 128 GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.